Car accident legal advice platform pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think getting legal advice after a car accident has to be expensive. The surprising truth is that online platforms provide affordable and accessible legal support to help you navigate claims efficiently. Pricing for these platforms typically ranges from free consultations to subscription plans around per month. Some services offer pay-per-use for document reviews or accident claim guidance, usually under. This is far less than traditional attorney fees, which can be hundreds per hour. For example, if you're unsure about filing a claim after a minor collision, a legal advice platform can walk you through gathering evidence, notifying insurers, and understanding your rights. Many platforms also offer AI-powered tools to estimate compensation or draft demand letters. Most people get this wrong by delaying advice until disputes escalate. Using a platform early ensures you handle claims correctly, meet deadlines, and avoid costly mistakes, all while saving money compared to hiring a full-time lawyer from the start. In conclusion, car accident legal advice platforms provide excellent value. Hire affordable, reliable, and accessible, making them an essential tool for anyone navigating the complex world of insurance claims and personal injury law.